Online Palengke application. The online Palengke is the number one solution how to have social distancing in our Palengke and that protect ourselves in COVID-19. We create the apps to maintain the safety and of your family to be safe and protective for the longest time. Online Palengke has pioneered cash on delivery as one of the biggest contributors of our group success by ordering and being able to pay upon delivery. You get the best item possible from the group, all at the best price as well. Today on Palengke also give you other payment option to make things more convenient. GCash, Paymaya, and cards are very welcome in the website. Aside from this, established online Palengke wallet system offers you more effortless, convenient for paying for the top items while also allowing customers to get more deals and cost discount of their ordered product. To this option, explore the many payment options of online Palengke and see which suit your convenience. Statement of the problem. What is the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of age and gender? What is the benefit of using the apps of online Palengke? Research design. The method used by the researcher in this study is the descriptive survey, a descriptive research involved description, analysis, and interpretation of conditions that now exist. It often involves the comparison and contrast and attempts to discover the cause and effect relationship that exists in the study. The descriptive survey estimates the extent to which different variables are located to each other. The descriptive method was used to achieve the goal of this study. This method seeks to describe the present exist conditions which in this research in addition it also seek to answer questions to real facts relating to exist condition. Measures. Our respondents were giving learning about our we will survey questions that are our apps to answer our survey. Then we give 5 to 10 minutes to answer our survey, and the instrument by use the searchers by using Google Form online to obtain the information needed in the study. Procedure and analysis plan. The procedure of having survey to respondents to have idea to know what is having to process. The apps and we having survey we collect information coming from our respondents, answering and having study about survey. Our respondents find survey was given and replied by the respondents, and after their warm up, replying all the question in the information we collect in our survey, collected the collect of information from our respondents answering the question we have. Thank you.